Many people have dreams of becoming a YouTuber someday, but many people unfortunately will never succeed in making that dream come true. Here in 2021, the competition is hard, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to fail. So if you're planning on starting a YouTube channel, today I will give you the basics of what you need to know so you don't fail. Before I start, if this is the first video you watch on my channel, then welcome. I make all sort of content, and I also use my channel as my shitpost. I have a goal of reaching 1000 subscribers by October, so if you want to help a small creator like me and like yourself, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so before you even start your channel, you need to get two things straight, alright? Two things. You need to plan what type of content you want to make. Is it vlogging, is it gaming, or is it something third? There's thousands of possibilities when deciding what content type you want to make. When you pick your content, it's important to try to stick to that content later on when you grow. Because when people subscribe to you, they subscribe for one type of content. So people will be confused if there's too much difference between what you make. Unless people subscribe to you for the person you are, like PewDiePie. A guy like PewDiePie could make all sort of content. A guy like MrBeast could make all sort of content. Gaming YouTubers, generally, they could make all sort of content because a guy like Ninja, for example, people subscribe to him for his gaming skills and not for the person that he is. So like if you're a gaming channel, don't suddenly switch over to making cooking videos, because your subscribers sub to you for your gaming content, not to see you cook. There is also another thing that you need to know that is essential for starting and succeeding in YouTube in 2021. And before I tell you what it is, it's important that you already subscribe to my channel and you like this video. You'll get 2 seconds to do that. 1, 2. Are you ready now? Good. Because the second thing, and probably the most important thing when starting on YouTube in 2021, is that you believe in yourself. You need to believe in that you will succeed. Set a goal for yourself, like I've done, and work hard towards that goal. If you believe in that you can achieve that goal, you will achieve the goal. So now that we've settled what you need to do before you even start your channel, now we're at the next step, where you uploaded a few videos and got 10 views in total. It is a massive blow in your self-confidence. I tried it myself. You work hours and hours on videos that no one will see. It's really hard, to be honest. And that's really sad. My channel got very few views in the first couple of years I was making YouTube. And today I figured out how to grow, and my growth is increasing and consistent. If you want a video on how to grow your channel and get out of the phase where you got 10 views per video, you got 10 subscribers and you're just stuck, then go ahead and subscribe. If we get 100 likes on this video, I will give an in-depth tutorial on how to grow your channel with 0 subs and 0 views. And I will tell you how I did it, how I went from under 100 subscribers to almost 600 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in another video. See you soon. Goodbye.